Hello, this is Dr. Obeid, and we are in Germany at the IMS iCore at the biggest dental meeting in the world, and this is the machine that we will be having in our office. The advantage of having a top milling machine in the dental office is providing patients with the highest quality restorations in sufficient timeline. The materials that used in the milling machines have a higher quality than most handmade ones. They are denser, stronger, they have no porosities, and more accurate. To do this, you need a reliable, powerful, and precise milling machine. It must have 5 axes of grinding and the ability to mill different materials such as porcelain, metal, and acrylic. We will be getting the IMS iCore Model 350i X Pro, and we will be receiving it by the end of 2023.